Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving right in to learn how to create and manage Trello user groups effectively. Our first step is creating a new team. Log in to your Trello account, click on the plus icon next to your profile picture, and select Create Team. This helps us set up a central workspace for our collaborators. Now that we've done that, it's time to invite members. Inside the team dashboard, click on Members, then Add Members. Type in the email addresses of your collaborators and confirm. Remember, inviting people to your team helps to unify your group's collaboration efforts. Next up, we assign roles. Click on a member's name, then select Change Permissions. You can choose between admin and member. The reason we do this is to delegate authority within the team, allowing for smoother workflow management. Now, we're setting up your boards. Click on Boards and then Create New Board. Assign it to the team you created. This is an essential step because each board represents a project for your team to work on. The final step is managing your team. Regularly check each board for updates, adjust member permissions as necessary, and keep communication lines open. This helps us ensure that the team remains productive and on track. That's it. You've just learned how to create and manage Trello user groups. Remember, effective team management on Trello can significantly improve your project collaboration efforts. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.